arrive in style with this Dodge 2017 Grand Caravan. Say, if you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 29 ESE included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT flex fuel transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE easy clean floor mats, 3-zone manual control front and rear AC, 6 speakers, body color body side molding body color sill applique, rear air conditioning with heater, sunscreen glass body color, door handles, transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, STD, billet clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT flex fuel, STD, light gray stone seats, black light gray stone cloth low back bucket seats, Uconnect hands-free group included, remote USB port, Bluetooth streaming audio, leather-wrapped steering wheel, leather-wrapped shift knob, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth rear view.